Look at this hairline. Baby, she is glueless. Look. This wig on my head is the Bye Bye Knots 7x5 pre-everything Kinky Curly glueless wig with invisible knots. This wig is specifically the 7x5 Bye Bye Knots Kinky Edge wig. It is 20 inches long and 180% density. When you pop the hood on this wig, you can see that this wig comes with combs inside. It also comes with adjustable straps in the back with a silicone backing, so it's able to stick to the back of the neck. It also comes with a piano key elastic band that is removable with also single silicone on the inside, so it stays attached. It also comes with a C-shaped ear design, so it fits comfortably around the ear, so it's super duper comfortable to wear. And it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-cut lace, babe. You're supposed to be able to throw this wig on and go. Now that's what we're gonna be testing out today. This is supposed to be just a put on and go wig, girl. You're supposed to be able to put it on and go. We're gonna take this girl on a test drive, girl. Rev these engines up, girl. We also are gonna do a couple styles with this wig because we want to see how versatile she is. Can she take a curve, girl? Can she ride on them two wheels on the side? Y'all get in the passenger seat. Let's take this thing for a test drive. So if you want to see how I customized this wig and what I did to make this wig look like this, please keep on watching and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts. What are we talking about? Now we need to go ahead and do the actual hair. Now the hair on this wig is a gorgeous, look at that. Look at the texture. As you can see, it doesn't have much shape to it right now. I like shape, and also the ends, as you can see, are thin and kind of dry. So in order to get really, really good bouncy curls, I always need to cut my wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. And how I cut it, girl, it's not perfect. It just ends up looking good at the end, girl. You gotta trust the process. And we're just gonna quickly trim the bottom. Boom. Okay? Yeah. Done. I cut off like maybe an inch. I need to go ahead and layer this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair up top. And the way I've been layering, girl, it's been too much. Okay, I annoy myself with how I layer hair and I'm not doing that anymore. And I'm just gonna slide the scissors down. I always miss a couple strands, but that's how much hair I cut off. When I stop feeling the popping, I know I'm in the right direction. After that part is cut, I'm gonna take this group of hair and I'm gonna slide do it again. Just cut downwards, right? Look at that, the shape is already coming through, honey. I'm gonna take some of this hair back here and layer it as well because I want more of a round shape. I feel like the round shape just looks better on my head. Girl, look, this side versus this side, completely different. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the hair that frames the face and, oh, it's already kind of layered, but I need that to be like a round shape. So I'm just gonna cut some of these extra long hairs down. So like no hairs are like sticking out. This section right here, because I'm feeling a little popping going on here. See that? See how it's not even? It's just sticking out. I need this to be even. See if I can just even it out. Just a little bit shorter in the front part. But I think that's basically it. This is the shape I was going for. There you go. Versus this side. Now the challenge is to get this side to look like this side with no rhyme or reason, but we'll make it happen. Once we get the shape going, then we can go ahead and add the mousse. But let's go ahead and get started on this side. Okay, y'all, the hair is cut. Now I'm hoping this shape stays plumps it. Look at that. Look at these curls. Come on, get out of here, sister. Look. Love this wig. All together, This wig eats it up. Bye Bye Knots wigs, sometimes they're not all created equal. Little lace tint, baby hairs, little mousse, she ready to go. Look at that hairline, like look at how amazing this looks. The curls are defined and so soft. I don't know why this hair dried fast. I think it was my mousse, but it dried really, really fast. So I was able to get to styling and stuff really, really quick.